Hi, Sean Delmore here with CK Worldwide. Today I'd like to introduce to you 40% argon savings in a bag. This product is called the Gas Saver Front End, and it is a direct interchangeable replacement series of parts for the front end of your TIG torch. Now, what I thought I'd do is go through the parts that are in the bag. There's 5 components that need to be changed out. But essentially, if you're welding with conventional TIG torch accessories, you're probably operating somewhere between 20 or 25 cubic feet an hour on your argon flow rate. With the Gas Saver, what we're introducing is a series of screens in the front end of the collet body that creates a lamellar or columnar flow pattern. And it's no different than when the water company came around years ago and put screens in the water faucets to try to conserve on water consumption. The Gas Saver accomplishes essentially the same thing. Now, argon being 2.5 times heavier than air has a natural tendency to blanket the weld puddle, preventing atmospheric contamination. What the Gas Saver does is creates that flow pattern. It gives it more direction to the area to be welded. So what I thought I'd do is show you how this system works. First thing you need to do is remove your existing front end parts from your torch. So go ahead and remove the nozzle, the collet body, the collet, of course the electrode, and then the heat shield. And inside this bag of parts, which can be ordered as one part number, you'll find these 5 components. You'll find a universal collet body, a heat shield, the screen adapter that screws onto the end of the collet body, and then you'll find an alumina push-on style nozzle. Simply take the heat shield, snap it onto the head of the torch, collet body screwed into the head of the torch. At this point, you can either use the industry standard 70-year-old design collet or the wedge collet. We'll go ahead and insert the wedge collet. The screen adapter into the front head of the assembly. And next is your nozzle. Simply push it up over the torch head, and there you have it. Now, one thing I want to point out is the outside diameter of the nozzle really doesn't change that much as compared to standard gas lenses, which increase the size of the head, increase the accessibility to some weld applications. Now, the Gas Saver assembly is also available with a push-on style clear nozzle made out of Pyrex. And this is a really neat thing for those difficult to access weld joints. Now you can see right through the nozzle while you're welding. It's excellent for educational purposes and a really handy thing in those tight spots. The Gas Saver is available for your industry standard 17, 26, and 18 style TIG torches, or your 2 Series 9 and 20 style TIG torches. For more information on the Gas Saver, contact your local welding distributor and ask for the Gas Saver, or give us a call at CK Worldwide at 1-800-426-0877, or get more information on the website at ckworldwide.com. Thanks for watching.